so much trouble. Okay. Hi. If you don't know me, I'm Lily. I have a YouTube channel. I don't have that much videos and I don't have that much followers or subscribers. So if you like this video, subscribe down below. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of my new notifications or videos. So yeah. So today I want to start off by saying this is part 1 of this, my book bag. Of what's in my book bag. So to start, you can already see some stuff. If you guys don't, like this word right now, but if you guys don't, okay. So, yeah. Okay. So let's start off by getting into this video. So what's in the backpack? In the front, you can already see it's squishy. This thing's mostly filled. It's a unicorn, so it's kind of defective.
You know what that little stool is?
It's defective because of all the rips. It's in the back too, and also it's really squishy though. We used to have like this thing on it, but it's good in the back. We have this thing on it, and you could stick it to your wall. Now, if you guys cannot see, I'm not going to take these all out. And if you cannot see, I'm just going to take a couple. I have a bunch of colored pens in here. So let's flip it to the other side. And the other side. We're only going to be doing a couple today because it's hard. Exactly. And then the next video I'm not going to talk because you already know by the title. But with this video was by the title. Good boy! You guys are probably waiting for it. You haven't got it yet. You're like, you probably have some time in there. It smells like blueberries.